Altcoins gain corporate spotlight as firms bet on Ethereum and Solana. Corporate interest is expanding beyond Bitcoin, with companies increasingly betting on altcoins like Ethereum and Solana, not just for diversification, but as a core part of their overall strategy. Digital recently said it completed its transition to an Ether treasury strategy, having accumulated 100,600 Ethereum worth $301.8 million, funded by equity offerings and Bitcoin sales. We believe Ethereum has the ability to rewrite the entire financial system. Ethereum's programmable nature, growing adoption, and staking yield model represent the future of digital assets, said CEO Sam Tabar, positioning the firm as a public Ethereum treasury platform. Similarly, DeFi Development is raising funds to acquire Solana, and Bitmine Immersion Technologies announced a $250 million private placement to bolster its Ethereum treasury. The shift toward altcoins isn't about abandoning Bitcoin, which remains a critical macro asset and store of value, said Leah Wald, CEO of SOL Strategies. Instead, it's about diversification and positioning for the next era of on-chain utility and providing an alpha exposure vehicle for investors' portfolios. Industry leaders note that altcoins provide exposure to higher growth ecosystems that offer real utility, yield through staking, and alignment with fast-growing sectors like AI, decentralized infrastructure, and Web3, according to FalconX's Ravi Doshi. While altcoins are riskier and more volatile than Bitcoin, executives argue this volatility can be advantageous for growth-focused firms. I think this is the start of a more layered treasury strategy. Bitcoin for credibility, Ethereum Solana for functionality. Over time, we may see firms build portfolios that resemble venture-style bets, not just digital gold reserves. John Murillo, Chief Business Officer of global fintech solutions provider B2B Broker, said, "As regulatory clarity improves, betting only on Bitcoin might feel like playing it too safe," said Pablo Gerbolas Parilla of Alive DevOps.